Best summer tires for 2026. What the test data actually says. Instead of another generic top 10 list, we went back to the actual test data behind our summer ranking. Cross-checked against professional test records and stored plus-minus summaries. Here's what the numbers tell us.
Audio Jungle.
The top 5. The Hankook Ventus Evo leads our ranking with a perfect 100 rating. Excellent wet safety and strong price performance, with rolling resistance as its only real weakness. Continental SportContact 7 matches that rating, dominating braking distances in both wet and dry. The UltraContact NXT is close behind at 99. Continental's sustainability flagship with the only AAA EU label rating in the group. The Pirelli Cinturato C3 and PremiumContact 7 round out the top 5 at 97 each. Let's compare how they score across key disciplines. The Cinturato C3 dominates wet grip, but pays for it in noise. The UltraContact NXT looks almost too good on paper. Best comfort, best noise, best efficiency. But its aquaplaning score is a real weak spot. And the SportContact 7 has the most dramatic braking numbers in the entire group, both wet and dry. These aren't small differences. In wet braking alone, there's nearly a full point spread between the best and worst in this premium group. Number 1. The Hankook Ventus Evo. The 4th generation was developed using AI-assisted compound optimization. Hankook used artificial intelligence to perfect silica distribution within the rubber. They claim 6% shorter dry braking, 7% better wet braking, and a 32% mileage increase over the predecessor. Do the tests back that up? Largely yes. Bild 2026. Test winner. Best wet properties, shortest braking distances. Tire reviews. Best wet braking at 27.66 meters, highest aquaplaning speed. The pattern is clear. Wet braking and aquaplaning resistance are consistently excellent. If you care most about wet weather safety and don't want to pay Continental prices, the Ventus Evo makes a strong case. Number 2. The Continental SportContact 7. Built around the black chili compound, adaptive profile technology, and force clustering. 17 professional tests and counting. This is the most consistent performer in our database. Sportsca's 2026 called it the handling king on wet and dry, with the shortest braking distances, 42.4 meters wet, 34.2 dry. ACE 2026, best wet braking at 24.51 meters. ADAC 2025, top marks across wet and dry. The pattern is unmistakable. Braking distances, wet and dry, are consistently the best or near best in every test. The catch? Aquaplaning. If you drive a performance car and braking matters more than deep water resistance, this is the tire to beat. Number 3. The Continental UltraContact NXT. Continental's sustainability flagship with up to 65% recycled and renewable materials. But here's the surprise. It's also genuinely fast. It has the only AAA EU label rating in the top group. Wet grip, fuel efficiency, and noise. Motor 2025. Test winner with top marks overall. AutoMotorSport 2025. Shortest braking distances, secure wet handling. Economy, noise, and comfort scores are best in class. The problem, again, is aquaplaning. 3 separate sources confirm it. Only 3 professional tests so far, so treat this as promising but not fully proven. For EV drivers, or anyone who cares about fuel consumption, this is the one to watch. Number 4. The Pirelli Cinturato C3. 3rd generation, built around safety and longevity. 100% A-rated wet grip across the entire range. 7 professional tests with wins in tire reviews and AVD. Tire Reviews 2026. Joint winner. Best dry braking at 35.75 meters. AVD 2026. Overall winner. Best wet performance. Best wet and dry handling. The Cinturato C3 has the highest aggregated wet score in the group at 93.7 and nearly the highest dry braking at 94. The trade-off is noise. 74.1 dB measured by Tire Reviews was the worst in their field. If cabin noise doesn't bother you, this might be the best all-round premium tire for 2026. Number 5. The Continental PremiumContact 7. 30 professional tests, more than double any other tire in this group. Built around the red chili compound for immediate braking safety without warm-up. ADAC 2026. Test winner, best wet and dry driving, no notable weaknesses. Netzwelt, shortest wet and dry braking. Tire Reviews, joint winner, best wet handling time. 6 wins in 2026 alone. The consistent strength is braking combined with handling balance across very different test conditions. The weakness is equally consistent, price and rolling resistance. If you want the safest, most proven choice and don't mind paying for it, PremiumContact 7 is hard to argue against. 3 newcomers worth watching. The Bridgestone Continental Sport Evo. 8 tests in its first year. 1 Sportauto 2026 with the highest overall score. Strong braking, clear sporty character, but consistently weak on noise and rolling resistance. The Dunlop Blue Response TG. Only 1 test, but it was a win. Outstanding grip on wet and dry, precise steering. The downside, very high rolling resistance. And the Pirelli P0R, factory fitment for Ferrari, McLaren, and Porsche. 1 Tire Reviews 2026 with best dry braking at 31.7 meters. Built for performance, not touring comfort. Not everyone wants to spend premium money. Here are budget-friendly alternatives that actually work. The Falcon EZX, best rolling resistance in the budget group, solid dry braking. Great for efficiency-focused drivers. The Falcon ZX ZE320, a genuine surprise. Best dry braking, best comfort, best aquaplaning, all against premium tires. At roughly 60% cheaper than the PremiumContact 7. The Firestone Roadhawk 2, excellent aquaplaning protection at a budget price, with 98% A-rated wet grip. And the Kumho Extra Sport, cheapest in test fields while still delivering dynamic handling. The gap between budget and premium is real though, especially in wet braking, where even the best budget option trails the premium leaders by nearly 2 full points. So which one should you buy? Best wet weather safety on a budget. Hankook Ventus Evo. Performance car, braking matters most. Continental SportContact 7. EV or fuel economy priority. Continental UltraContact NXT. Best all-round grip, wet and dry. Pirelli Cinturato C3. Maximum confidence, most proven choice, Continental PremiumContact 7. And for the budget-conscious, the Falcon ZX ZE320 punches well above its weight. Remember, wet braking still separates the best from the rest. Whatever you choose, check that metric first. Find detailed test breakdowns, price comparisons, and performance analysis for all of these tires on theaterlab.com. Subscribe for more independent tire testing content.